So what we have here is an automatic transmission, electric shift PTO. The truck is running as neutral, it's in park, engine is running. Go ahead and just simply turn on the switch. And we'll turn on any of the sprayers. We go ahead and turn on the front sprayer. Just give it a little bit of throttle. Pretty much can do the same process to any of the sprayers, two in the front, one on the side and two in the rear. Going mobile, which we're gonna do the next video, we're gonna have to go to drive and lower gear to first gear. That's how I'm gonna be doing the next video, just to get the most output out of the pump. You can decide to go to second gear in case the truck's moving kind of slow for your needs. Otherwise, first gear will be the selection where you need to be at. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate that in the next video.